Okay, so this is the Aqualisa Quartz shower pump. At the moment the shower is inactive, I switched off and there is no power to the pump. I'm just going to switch power on to the pump now. And like I say, the shower is not doing anything right now. I'll just go and switch the shower on. The shower's now running a mix of hot and cold water, and I'll now go and switch it off again. Okay, so clearly something's wrong inside it. I'm now going to switch this thing off.